The upcoming episode of Rimjim is set to deliver one of the most explosive twists in the story. A shocking truth is finally revealed, and this single revelation turns the entire royal palace upside down. For days, Babaji has enjoyed the complete trust and respect of everyone in the palace. His calm personality and spiritual image have convinced everyone that he is an honest and noble man. But while everyone else believes in him, Rimjim begins to notice strange behavior and suspicious incidents that simply don't add up. The more she investigates, the more convinced she becomes that Babaji is hiding something dangerous. Determined to uncover the truth, Rimjim secretly follows every clue. She refuses to ignore the warning signs, no matter how risky the investigation becomes. After putting all the pieces together, she finally discovers the truth that leaves her completely speechless. Babaji is not who he claims to be. The man living in the palace under the name of Babaji is actually Vinod Rao. The shocking revelation changes everything. Rimjim realizes that the entire family has been living under the same roof as a man who has been deceiving them from the very beginning. Her trust is shattered, and her disappointment quickly turns into uncontrollable anger. Instead of keeping this truth to herself, Rimjim decides that everyone deserves to know who Babaji really is. She gathers the family members and confronts him in front of everyone. The palace falls into complete silence. Nobody understands why Rimjim suddenly challenges Babaji so boldly. Every pair of eyes is fixed on her as she steps forward with confidence. Even Babaji tries to remain calm, believing that he can once again manipulate the situation. But this time, Rimjim refuses to let him escape. Looking directly into his eyes, she exposes his real identity before the entire family. You are not Babaji. You are Vinod Rao. The moment those words echo through the palace, everyone is left completely stunned. The family members cannot believe what they have just heard. Some stand frozen in disbelief, while others begin questioning everything they once believed about Babaji. Vinod Rao realizes that his biggest secret has finally been exposed. For the first time, the confidence on his face begins to disappear. Rimjim continues revealing everything she has discovered. She explains how she uncovered his lies and why she is certain that he has been fooling everyone. Every word she speaks destroys the false image Vinod Rao spent so long creating. The tension reaches its breaking point. Then comes the moment no one expected. Unable to control her anger any longer, Rimjim raises her hand and slaps Vinod Rao across the face in front of the entire family. The loud slap echoes through the palace. Everyone is left speechless. No one dares to say a single word as Vinod Rao stands there in complete shock. The slap is more than just a reaction, it becomes a powerful symbol of justice against deception and betrayal. Without wasting another second, Rimjim makes it clear that Vinod Rao no longer has any place in the palace. She refuses to let him continue manipulating innocent people. Standing fearlessly before the family, she orders him to leave immediately. The family watches in silence as Vinod Rao's carefully built image collapses before their eyes. The man they once respected is now exposed as an impostor. But the drama is far from over. Vinod Rao may have lost his disguise, but he has not given up his dangerous plans. Instead of accepting defeat, he secretly prepares his next move. Filled with revenge, Vinod Rao decides to blackmail Rimjim. He believes that if he cannot regain the family's trust, he can still destroy Rimjim's happiness by trapping her in a dangerous situation. A new battle is about to begin. Rimjim realizes that exposing the truth was only the first step. The real challenge has just started, and this time the consequences could be even more dangerous. Fortunately, she is not alone. Sameer refuses to let Rimjim face this fight by herself. Seeing the threats against her, he stands firmly by her side and promises to protect her at any cost. Together, Sameer and Rimjim prepare to face Vinod Rao's next conspiracy. But defeating such a clever enemy will not be easy. Vinod Rao still has secrets, hidden plans, and dangerous tricks that could create even bigger problems for the family. As the tension continues to rise, every member of the household is forced to question whom they can truly trust. Broken relationships, painful betrayals, and shocking revelations begin changing everyone's lives forever. Will Vinod Rao succeed in blackmailing Rimjim? Can Sameer protect her before it is too late? Will the family finally unite against the man who deceived them all? Or is an even bigger twist waiting just around the corner? The upcoming episode promises powerful emotions, intense confrontations, and unexpected surprises that will keep viewers hooked until the very end. Don't miss this thrilling episode of Rimjim, where hidden identities are exposed, trust is shattered,